With most verbs, just add ing. Eat, eating. Watch, watching. Play, playing. Talk, talking. Cook, cooking. Walk, walking. Do, doing. Read, reading. Study, studying. Show, showing. Rain, raining. Learn, learning. Clean, cleaning. Wash, washing. Wait, waiting. If a verb ends in a single E, drop the E and add ing. Make, making. Smile, smiling. Write, writing. Drive, driving. Take, taking. Have, having. Type, typing. Shave, shaving. Shake, shaking. If a verb ends in ie, change ie for y and add ing. Lie, lying. Tie, tying. Die, dying. If a verb ends in a consonant and the letter before the consonant is a vowel, double the consonant and add ing. Run, running. Swim, swimming. Stop, stopping. Get, getting. Put, putting.